Hey guys, I hope everybody's been doing great. So this is going to be your reading for the month of August. Please keep in mind that this is a general reading. If you feel like it doesn't apply, please take a look at my other videos to check out your moon, your rising, and your Venus signs. So this could be a situation to where some of you guys could be going to your friends asking them for help, right? Because maybe you have certain behaviors, or maybe you're in some type of situation that you want out, right? And so you're getting advice. You're trying to figure out, okay, guys, this is my situation. I'm not happy. I want out, but it's hard because I have a family with this person, or I'm in a family situation, or this is a friendship, whatever it is. But it's you want out. And Spirit is saying it is safe for you to love, meaning if you... Because now, Spirit is saying that a lot of you guys, I feel like maybe you are already out of the situation, what I just heard, but you're afraid to love because of what someone and or others did to you in the past. That could be the codependency piece, the addiction piece. It's you haven't wholeheartedly healed yet. And so Spirit is saying, look, it is safe for you to love. You don't have to do the whole one foot in, 1 foot out. But remember, attraction. You attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. So by you guys healing, by you guys working on yourself, by you focusing on yourself, and then putting yourself out there, you're going to attract the type of love that you want. So just hang in there, Leos. Okay, bottom of the deck, there's the star. So somebody could definitely be dealing with an Aquarius. This could be healings. I told you guys have been healing. Remember I told you in the beginning, Spirit wants you to continue healing because what you're putting out is what's going to come back, right? So for those of you that resonates for you, continue working on yourself. But there also could be a situation where somebody wants to heal things with you. See? This person definitely would like for things to improve between the two of you. You have a huge offer coming in with the Ace of Cups. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. That is interesting. I just finished doing the Aries reading. Let's see if it matches. But anyway, somebody could be dealing with an Aries, but they know that they didn't bring stability into the situation, and this is why they're afraid that they're not going to have a new start with you. But I do see that they are going to come out of their head, come out of being frustrated. But even saying that, they're still not listening to their intuition. Why? Because they're not saying anything to you. There's little to no communication. Because they feel like the seeds that they planted with you, they're not going to grow. This person, they want happiness with you. I'm not going to lie. Kind of where the sun was trying to land. Is somebody like a father or like a parent? Because they regret how they treated you. It's not for everybody. It's some of you guys. Somebody could be a parent. And it's they have other responsibilities. That could be the codependent situation. But I'm telling you, they hate how they treated you. Yeah, see, they're having a hard time right now. Okay. Because they said some things to you. Yep. See, you guys, there was drama in the past. They argued with you, started drama, all of that. And it's they don't want to do it anymore. Somebody could have been dealing with a Scorpio. I do feel like this person, they're trying to put an end to a situation. Lessons. They're doing a lot of thinking right now. Trying to figure out, what happened. Yep, look at the 2 9s with the Hermit and the 9 of Cups reversed. I'm telling you, they were going through lessons and you're getting justice. So somebody could have been dealing with a Virgo. Somebody could have been dealing with a Libra. I feel like they're look at another 9. I'm telling you, this person was going through some type of karmic lessons. And it's they're trying to figure out how you feel about them. And they're trying their best not to be in their head, overthinking things. But they can't help it. Because they're wanting to, move really fast. Clarify. There's the Queen of Pentacles. Why is the Queen of Pentacles here? I just heard they know you're moving on, and look what... Leo! Your card just jumped out, okay? I'm telling you, they know that you're moving on. It's you're representing the Queen of Pentacles. You guys are focusing on yourself. Didn't I tell y'all in the beginning? You're healing. You're focusing on yourself. You're moving forward, and it scares them. It's freaking them out, right? Because now it's okay, what do I do? But they're afraid, so they just don't have the strength to come towards you. See, they know that they owe you an apology. You could be dealing with another Leo. But see, yeah, they owe you an apology. And I see that they're going to come out of their head. They're going to get themselves out of a situation if they're feeling trapped in it. But see, they were being sneaky. This person was sneaky in the past. Again, it could be a family situation. If not, they look at you as wish fulfillment. They want to have a family with you. So this person's making a decision, but there's the Knight of Wands. Clarify that. Clarify the Knight of Wands, please. They're going to rush in to tell... Wow. I was about to say a third party because there's a Three of Cups reversed and then the Three of Swords came out reversed too. See what I'm saying? They're going to tell you, I got out of a third party situation. I'm done. I'm out. I don't want to do this whole back and forth, being inconsistent with you, you know, juggling you and another. I don't want to do that. See? Eight of Cups. I'm telling you, they walked away. I feel like for some of you, this has already happened. If not, it's getting ready to happen. But I do feel like they're afraid you're going to walk away from them. See, yeah, this person hurt you. And they're wanting to come in, like, really confident to fix things. You know, it's like, I'm picking up your energy, too. You see how, like, with the... Hold on. Let me do this. I want to show y'all. So, I have the Queen of Cups with the King of Wands, right? So, it's like this. And at the end of the day, they know they hurt you. They knew that. I feel like a lot of you are like super intuitive, right? So you picked up on some things that you already knew was going on, but this person lied to you about. So while you're turning your back towards this person, you see how they're watching you. They're going to try to come in, do whatever is necessary to win you back. They want to fix this. But with the moon there, you know, somebody could have been dealing with a Pisces. You know, and I feel like they're afraid because of the lies, the deception, the things that they put you through. You know, you're done. See? Tower. They're going through a tower. That's them realizing, okay, I effed up. I effed up bad. You know, see, didn't I tell you they're going to have to put in the work to win you back? I told you. I told you. Yep, because see, they were being really childish, immature towards you. And they want things to improve with you. Tell me more. Yep. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. This person definitely sees themselves committing to you, marrying you one day. You know, but right now, because they didn't balance things out with you, they knew that you cut them off. Like, you're done. And see, it hurts them because they messed up. This person messed up, and they do not have a peace of mind, you know, because, see, they were all talking, no action. They were sitting here telling you things, making promises, and they didn't keep them at all, you know, but I'm seeing they want that victory with you. Tell me more. But they're stuck trying to make a decision. They keep going back and forth. See, they want to start over and build with you, Leo. Oh, why is the King of Cups here? I feel like they're upset with themselves. Yeah, because I'm hearing missed opportunity. They mess things up with you. You know, this person loves you, and it's like they're gonna have to make a decision. But see, it's like they're watching you from afar. They're watching you. Remember I told you in the beginning, you guys came out like the Queen of Pentacles, and they saw that you're healing, you're moving on, like you're happy, you know. And so with the Ace of Swords coming out with the Ace of Pentacles reversed, it's like they're going to talk to you. You're going to hear from this person. They're going to tell you what's been going on, how they're thinking and feeling, but they're afraid that you're not going to take this offer from them. But I mean, could you blame them? This person, okay, hold on. This person was definitely in a karmic situation, whether it's a karmic soulmate, like a love interest, karmic family member, a karmic friend. There was definitely some type of karmic situation that they were in, and I see them getting out of it. Somebody could have been dealing with, Lord, I almost said the devil. Okay, see what I'm saying? Lord. Okay, somebody could have been dealing with a Capricorn. Now, I'm not gonna lie, maybe for some of you, the person that you're thinking about, maybe this is your karmic. This is a karmic soulmate situation. So let's just see. Yeah, because whatever's going on, this person stabbed you in the back. They want to make it right, see? They do not want you to let them go. But they fear that they're not going to be able to turn things around with you. They feel like they're not going to have that new start with you, see? Because you don't want them. You don't want them. This person played games. And see, now they're going to have to make a decision. Okay. They're trying to get out of their head, but they can't move forward yet, y'all. Okay, so I will say this. It was a small percentage. I'm telling you, this could have been like a karmic, like a soulmate, but it came with karmic lessons, right? For others of you, maybe it was a karmic soulmate, but I really feel like this person is in a karmic soulmate situation or some type of karmic situation they got to get out of, because I'm seeing that they haven't learned their lessons yet and they can't move forward. See, there's this, and I know this is you, but I'm going to tell you, there's like this mother figure here that could have been blocking, you know, and that's what you see. And it's like they're not positive about, you know, you, because they want to make it right. They want to balance things out. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but see, I told you they had you waiting. This person took a long time, and that's why they're saying, you know, I want to give you an offer, but see, I was giving you the breadcrumb offers here because I was in a codependent situation. I couldn't give you the offer that you deserve. See, they left you out in the cold, and that's why they're like, you know, I'm not positive about what Leo is going to say. And they're having a hard time because they love you. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini, but they fear they're not going to have that new start with you. See, they want to move forward with you, but it's fear. Okay, somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. Look at that, 11-11. I'm telling you, this person wants to have a happy home with you, but see, they're unsure if they can balance things out with you or not because they're having to give to someone else. But they want to heal things with you. They're holding on to hope. Definitely want to heal things. And see, but they're back and forth with the Seven of Cups. They're trying to make a decision. Maybe this person in the past, they had other options, but now when it comes to you, they don't really know how to fix this. Hence, why they're going to their friends for help. And see, it's like right now, they're not taking the lead because they're still having to deal with past issues, family issues. Let's go here. Let me use this. Let me look at something. Spirit, this person's energy that I'm picking up on, what's going on? Give me a little bit more insight. The house tried to jump out. I'm telling you, family, living situation. Something's going on. Tell me more. What's going on? See, the gift card, they're having to give. Maybe this person pays bills. They're having to help. Okay, there's the marriage card. So maybe for some of you, they're in a commitment or they're married. This could be what they want with you. Yeah, they're going to have to make a change. Yeah, wow, look at that, 9 and 10. So, okay, this is the thing. For some of you, yes, this person is married or they're in some type of commitment. For others of you, I feel like they're just committed to somebody. They could be in a relationship, but they want out because they see themselves marrying you. They know that they're going to have to make a change when it comes to this karmic cycle. And with the 10, it's over. They're coming towards you. You see the luggage here? Somebody's planning to come and see you. Maybe they need to move near you. You know, they want a new beginning with you, okay? But see, they're 2 10s. I'm telling you, there's an expectation that someone has of them if they put an end to a situation. Tell me more. Okay, I'm seeing a mature man. So you guys could be dating somebody older. Or this season. Well, damn, I did say dating. Okay, well, maybe it's somebody older, okay? You were dating this guy that was older. This person could just be, like, super immature. Oh, my God, that's not what I was trying to say. Okay, so look. Could have been dating somebody that was older. I feel like this person, yes, they were very immature, but see, they're mature now. They had to go through this situation in order to mature, right? And with the wealthy man, this makes me feel like anytime I see this card, this person gets taken advantage of by people, friends, family, love interest, all of that, you know? They're trying to figure out, okay, what to do. See? Thoughts. I told you, trying to figure it out. Right now, it's like I feel like they're working really hard on trying to get themselves out of a situation, but they could also be throwing themselves into work. See, you see how the privileged lady jumped on marriage? I'm telling you, there's a woman here. This could be, Lord, I just heard mother of their child. So that's why I paused. This could be the mother of their child. This could be their mother. This could be the person that they're married to. Whatever's going on, it's like they created a lifestyle for her. It's like she gets what she wants. She gets what she wants. And that's the problem. See? Adjudication. It's like they're trying to make a decision about this woman, but you see how there's a man and a woman standing before a judge? They may have to go to court. And that's the issue, see? In order to put an end to the situation. See that 10 up top? 1, 9 equals 10. I'm telling you, in order to put an end, they may have to go to court. So for some of you guys, I'm telling you, they could be married. Remember, the house tried to jump out. They could be in some type of like legal contract. I did hear mother of their child. I mean, it could go so many ways, y'all. So just take it however it fits for your situation. Okay. Let's look at messages and advice. Let's see. Okay, Spirit. When it comes to my Leos, what messages and or advice do you have? My Leos, please. Okay, let's see. I have the Ace of Wands. So overall energy, Spirit is saying you could definitely have a new beginning if you want, but you guys don't see things improving with this person. Yeah, at all. At all. You're like, no, I don't see things working out. I don't see things improving. This person hurt me. They were being super sneaky, manipulative because they had a family situation or a living situation, and I don't trust them. But Spirit is saying, even though you're saying, okay, things can't improve, Spirit is saying they want you to focus on you continue healing because things can improve for you once you put an end to this situation, right? Because you're saying to yourself, you know what, I don't want to work things out. I don't want to build with this person. But then you have the Ace of Pentacles. So there's an offer. This person's going to come in and give you an offer, yep, because they want to have a new beginning with you, a new opportunity. See, they're going to come and give you a stable offer. Oh, yeah. They're going to work really hard to win you back. But I feel like you guys have been just working on yourself. Maybe for some of you guys, there's some type of blessing coming in. This could even be something career related. It's kind of like, okay, I'm not worried about love right now. I'm focusing on my money because you have some type of new beginning coming in for you. But I'm still seeing you're sad because of how this is playing out between you and this person. Because you're realizing, you know what, I may not be able to have a commitment with them. I may not be able to marry this person that I thought I was going to be with. So I see you making a decision based off of, you realizing the truth. And it's like you're, coming out of your head, not overthinking it. See, the double reverse. You're like, I'm getting myself out of this situation. I don't have time. But at the same time, you're having a hard time with it. See what I'm saying? It's like, y'all continue healing. Continue. Yeah, because see, right now, you're not talking to this person. You're not hearing anything back, yeah, and you're like, I'm not moving forward. I'm not making a move. I feel like this person's waiting on you to reach out, to be honest with you, and you're like, no, I'm not doing it. But at the same time, you're not walking away. Give me 10 more for Leo, please. There's a death card. Spirit is saying put an end to this. You got to put your foot down, guys, see? You guys are no longer putting any time or energy into this. 2 people. That's why Spirit is saying let this go. You got to let it go. There are 2 people here. And see, you're seeing the truth for what it is. Whether that was, it's you and the love interest. You and the mother figure. I'm telling you and a friend, it's 2 people. And that's why you're like, nope, not doing it. See? You're turning your back on this situation and you're moving on. Look, see, there's another person. No. See, you're realizing this person was juggling and it makes you upset. Now your guard is up, but 10 of Wands, Spirit is saying let it go. You're going to listen to your intuition, but you got to let this person go. Because see, right now, you're not going to have a victory with them. They still have a lot to work out. Okay, Leos, that was your reading. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if it resonates. Okay, guys, I love you all, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.